The Commission has alleviated the Kuppet's concerns about the promotion of teachers not in the payroll. It presented the promotions data in the manner demanded by Kuppet and explained the remedy for 14 teachers who earned their promotions while not being in the payroll. The Commission also committed to immediately address the grievances of teachers who were converted from job group M to C5 and who have not earned any promotion since 2017. Also within this year, the Commission will seek an allocation of 1 billion for the promotion of 30,000 teachers who have stagnated. The priority group will be the current C4 and C5 grades who will move to C5